How to send and Interac e-transfer on BMO. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, launch the BMO application on your device and log in into your account. Once that is done, you will have to navigate to the Pay and Transfer button. Tap on it and it will take you to another page. Tap on Interac e-transfer now. If the recipient is already in contacts, tap on it and then click on Send. After that, choose an account and then input the amount you wish to send to the recipient. After that, you will have to create or answer security questions in order to help recipient verify the transformation. The message is optional. You can include a message for the recipient. Once that is done, give in your security question, answer and re-enter it. After that, tap on Continue button again and then tap on Send Money. Then tap on Done, and this way it will give you additional page. Click on OK and you have successfully transferred the amount. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.